Your income seldom exceeds your personal development. Jim Rohn. The more you learn, the more you earn. Warren Buffett. Welcome to lesson 2.4, that is skill development, which means work to learn, not just to earn. You can lose a job, an investment, or a business, but you can never lose what you've learned. Every new skill is a seed that multiplies your earning capacity. Every time you learn something new, you expand what's possible for your life. This is where most people stop. They get comfortable, but wealth builders never stop learning because they know that the mind is their greatest investment. As Benjamin Franklin said, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Money flows to those who solve problems, and problem solving flows from one thing, which is skill. Every promotion, business idea, or opportunity in your life has likely come because you knew something others didn't. But here's the secret. Real skill is not just technical, it's human. So for example, can you speak clearly? Can you build relationships quickly? Can you sell your ideas with confidence? Can you connect across differences? These are the skills that makes you indispensable. Your education should never stop after school, because life keeps testing you a long time after your exams are finished. Now, there are three dimensions of skill power. The first one is a professional or technical skill. That's what you are paid for. That is your craft. It's your foundation. Be good at it. For example, a doctor heals, creators create, teachers teach. But don't just do it. Master it. Read one book in your trade every month. Learn one new digital or AI tool. Take one course that makes you faster, sharper, and more relevant. You don't have to know everything, just enough to make people trust your expertise. Be so good that they can't ignore you, Steve Martin said. Number 2, communication and influence skills. What multiplies everything else? If technical skills makes you competent, communication skills make you valuable. Most people never practice speaking, yet they have opportunity to sell themselves through conversations every day. This is one very important skill to have: how to speak clearly and calmly under pressure. Tell stories that inspire trust. Ask questions that open hearts. Negotiate without fear, and present ideas with conviction. You could take a free public speaking course. You can record yourself while doing something like a TED Talk. You can join the local speaking club. Your ability to communicate determines your ability to lead. Now, speech is power. Speech is to persuade, is to convert, is to compel. The next type of skills to leverage on is social skills. You know what? Most people hate the word sales, but life is sales. Convincing your team to follow a vision, explaining your ideas to a partner or investor, negotiating your pay, inspiring your kids to aim higher. Sales is not a manipulation, it's understanding needs and creating solutions. Learn how to connect with people emotionally, not just intellectually. Learn how to listen more than you talk. Learn how to build networks without being fake. The more people you help, the richer you become, according to Zig Ziglar. Social capital, not just financial capital, drives most success stories. Educate yourself. Your learning doesn't need permission. You don't need a degree to start learning. You need discipline. We live in the best times in history to self-educate. You have several YouTubes, podcasts. You have AI tutors like ChatGPT for summarizing and doing so many things. You have online platforms like Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning. You have free community courses and webinars. Now, make learning part of your daily routine. 15 minutes a day, 91 hours a year. That's 2 full weeks of mastery every year. The question isn't can you afford to learn, it's can you afford not to learn. In this Rich and in Progress course, we have a 3-stage cycle of skill acquisition, which is learn, apply, and teach. You know what? Many people learn, but study, they observe, but very few people actually apply it into experience. And it is when you apply knowledge that you've learned that it becomes useful. Now, there's a third stage, so that's learning, applying. There's actually a third stage that is very, very important, which is teaching. Once you've learned something and you are applying it, look for ways to teach this to other people. Because when you teach what you've learned and what you are applying in experience, the effect stays more with you and your skill improves very fast. Now, you may ask, how do I build high income skills? You have to start with one question. What skill could increase my income the fastest this year? For example, communication and public speaking. It boosts leadership and confidence. Sales and persuasion. It unlocks business growth. Digital marketing and branding is essential for side hustles. Negotiation saves and earns money in every deal. Now, AI literacy is so important that everybody should know this because it can save you time and also create wealth more than you can ever imagine. Once you highlight these things, take small, consistent steps to practice them every day. Record and review your progress, and then maybe look for people who are into it and seek for mentorship. Now, turn every job into a classroom. Alvin Toffler once said, "The illiterate of the 21st century are not those who cannot read and write, but those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. Lifelong learners reinvent themselves. They don't complain about change, they adapt to it. Every new skill is a seed of independence." Now, when you grow your skills, you grow your income. When you grow your communication, you grow your influence. When you grow your influence, you grow your impact. That's where real wealth lies. You don't rise to the level of your dreams. You rise to the level of your skills. Educate yourself daily. Learn how to think, speak, connect, sell ideas, and help people. Because the world doesn't pay effort, it pays value. And your skills are what make you valuable. So keep sharpening your soul. You are your own best investment. This is to tell you how skill development is very important in your financial map. Many people think that money just comes by working hard. No, it comes by working smart. And the best way to work smart is to have a skill which will take you to another level.